Hello viewers, welcome back to another special edition of Raxio Hour as we continue to celebrate the wonderful women in the tech industry. This week, we featured Livia Nyaika, the Network and Infrastructure Manager at Exim Bank Uganda, a commercial bank licensed by Bank of Uganda and subsidiary of Exim Bank Tanzania. Livia is an analytic IT professional passionate about technology. She shared with us what can be done to encourage more women to join the tech industry and so much more. Let us hear what she had to say.
My name is Livia Nyaika. I work as a Network and Infrastructure Manager at Exim Bank Uganda. My job mainly entails planning, designing, and managing the network and infrastructure equipment that the bank owns. And to make it simpler, it basically means I'm in charge of ensuring that all the bank systems and applications are up or are available for use for the bank staff to deliver in their roles. When I joined the tech industry, I joined at a really low level as a technician, a systems technician, and I set a goal to specialize in one of the IT fields. At that time, I wanted to grow in my career, and I couldn't grow just by remaining where I was. It involved me in collaborating with different teams and getting to know what's available, what fields of IT are available out there. And so I chose to specialize in network administration, which I had to study. I had to put in some work and study. I had to find mentors and people who were doing this as their job and try to understand what it involved. And through that, I was able to get a job as a network administrator, which propelled me to where I am today. So that's a goal I set for myself, to specialize and be excellent at network administration so that I could grow in my career. Some of the things I like about my career in tech is that it's aimed at problem solving. And the way I look at it is, when a problem is presented, you look for the best alternatives. You list down the available alternatives and you choose the best one. And that is a whole process, but I like the process because it involves collaboration with different team members and collaboration with other people in the industry, whether they work within my organization or in another organization. And I also like the idea of collaboration. It also has an element of creativity. Most people don't think that tech is creative, but it's really creative. And if the environment is great for creativity, it's easy to get the best out of tech professionals. A lot more can be done to attract women into the tech industry or to take up careers in tech. And it all starts from the home. As we are raising young girls, it's very important to encourage young girls to believe that they have enough potential, they have the ability, they have the mental capacity, and they can really excel in the technical fields. Another thing that I think needs to be done is provision of scholarships or internships for women. I would like to see a time where companies or organizations are partnering with universities to help provide graduate training programs or internships especially for women. Not just women, but all students, but especially for women when it comes to the tech field. They really need a place to go and experience what it means to be in that field and sort of get an early understanding of what it's like so that they are well prepared for the workplace.
As a woman in tech, what is your daily mantra for thriving in the industry?
As a woman in tech, I am faced with challenges daily, and it's not easy to know what my day is going to be like. So my daily mantra to get through the day is that my attitude is everything. How I perceive a situation really matters. If I'm having a bad day, I have to find a way of getting through it by making sure I have a positive attitude, and maintaining that positive attitude is a job in itself, because like I said, there's always something that goes wrong. There's always something that, you know, shifts your mindset and needs you to think differently. So my mantra would be, attitude is everything. The theme for this year's Women's Month is Break the Bias. Breaking the bias is about strengthening my beliefs in myself as a woman, because there's a lot of negative talk out there, or negative opinions about what we as women can achieve and what we can and can't do. And if we get caught up in that, it's very difficult to grow in our careers and to extend ourselves. So to me, breaking the bias is about strengthening my beliefs in myself and telling myself that I can do it, and empowering myself so that I can move ahead.
Pleasure having you, Livia. As we wrap up Women's Month, we wish to carry forth and continually embrace inclusivity for all, not only in the tech industry, but across other industries as well. Thank you for tuning into Raxio Hour. Have a lovely weekend.